tourist guide. I've been doing this for about 5 years now. I'll be taking you around Kampala, and we are going to see a number of monuments, and then we'll also be seeing quite different landmarks. I'll be explaining about the history of Kampala and different landmarks. So you feel free to ask me questions in case there is anything you've heard about that you don't know, then I can be able to explain about it. So we'll be starting from the Independence Monument. We move to the First President's Monument. We move to the Gorilla Monument. We go to the Impala statue. Then later we walk to the street, which is called Luwum Street, where the first shop was. Then later we go through the street market, and then we go to the taxi park. Then Nakasero Market, the Hindu temple. We pass by the Owino Market. Then it's you guys to choose whether to visit the Gaddafi Mosque or to do that. Okay, so we're ready?
Yeah, we are ready.
Yep. Let's go. Let's begin.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are doing a city tour, and right now we are at Uganda's monument. We have a meetup of all Ugandan YouTubers who do travel, and we are going to do a city tour and find out all the places, guys. Come with me, let's do this. This is Sharon. There's so many right here, guys. Come with me, we do this city tour. Guys, I've met Bad Being Sharon for the first time. Hi Sharon!
It's just exciting meeting for the first time, but
Sure.
you're like you've already met
Exactly.
before.
Guys, enjoy city tour.
City tour here.
Let me show you. You're gonna... Can you shoot content? Just to go for editing.
This is Russian.
Twaha. They are 8 constitutional presidents and a team of judges that can easily make it tonight. But
is a fail. Grab that taxi. And now we are heading to another
See how
Let me show you how the taxi is.
going to be nice.
Never been.
A taxi will be enough.
Because you already get another car. All of us.
That's why I don't even want. Let's talk about this about too long.
olw'obwakabaka obukulu era nga olubiri luno olw'emmengo bakafunamu bakabaka basatu bwe babeera ku lusozi luno era nga bakozesanga amayinja agayitibwa emmengo okussa omubisi omusirino nga twali tukyali obufuzi bw'amatwale egamba yagezaako okubanga ananyisa abazungu bayiga sesere era ng'eyo kabaka mwanga gye yafiira ekumulwenda ssatu oluvannyuma enjole ye yakomezebwawo n'agalamizibwa mu masiro ekasuli.
This is Gava landing site located on the shores of Lake Victoria in Gava, a suburb in Kampala, Uganda. It's one of the biggest fish markets in Kampala, serving as a destination for fishermen and buyers of fish. Fishermen set off from this site to go fishing in the deep waters of Lake Victoria. And when they return, auctioning of fish takes place, where the highest bidder takes the fish. The fish mostly caught on this site includes the Nile perch, tilapia, lungfish, and catfish. Canoe boats and motorboats is the means of transport on this site. The site not only sells fish, but it has a very big market that sells other commodities like raw food, cooked food, vegetables, and different stuff. It also includes offices of the Kampala City Center Authority that is responsible for all activities taking place on this site. Enjoy the rest of the video.